Hello everyone. In the world of ice cube trays, I have here a game changer. Unlike your traditional ice cube trays where you have to try to bend and crack them out and pop it up, you don't have to worry about any of that anymore. This silicone ice cube tray, super simple. Easily pop out your ice cubes. No more having to try to crack it in and get your finger in there and try to get them out. These just pop out with ease. Now, even though my refrigerator has an ice cube maker on it, I like to keep some of these handy just to have some extra ice cubes in case for some reason that runs out, or just to have a little extra. Now, I know what all you crafty people in the kitchen are thinking. Yes, you can use this for making little jellos or chocolate candies, things of that nature as well. Now, even though these are nice, soft, and pliable and easy to pop out, it is still very firm when sitting, and it allows the water to evenly freeze. And just like normal, just pour the water in, fill up all the slots. Set it down into the freezer. And in no time, you'll have your ice cubes. All right, the water's all frozen. We now have ice. Show you just how easy those pop out. So much easier than trying to use those hard trays. Huh. I'm never going back to those hard trays. I like these silicone ones. I highly recommend them.